Barcelona, a far cry from the developing world. But executives gathered in this Spanish city believe some of the world's poorest nations could help drive future growth for the mobile industry. Here at Mobile World Congress, the ability to use your mobile phone to transfer money is big business, and executives are looking to expand mobile banking in Africa, Asia, and South America. Here's how the system works.
We're looking at a mobile device that doubles not only as a phone, but also as an electronic payment terminal, where there's a lack of fixed-line telecommunications infrastructure. This phone gives you the ability as a merchant to not only make a phone call, but also to accept payment. As an example, I can present my card if I'm a consumer and pay at the merchant.
Wow.
If my payment credentials are also on the phone, I can also just present my phone and that phone can accept the payment and then we can execute a payment transaction.
The GSM Association represents mobile phone networks around the globe. It announced that the foundation set up by Microsoft founder Bill Gates has provided a $12.5 million grant to help fund mobile banking projects in the developing world, where millions don't have access to banking systems. The hardware for the technology is largely in place.
It requires investment, yes, but actually just the sheer numbers and the returns on investment are there for operators to continue to invest. So what we're seeing is big operators, for example, Vodafone last year entered into an agreement to acquire Vodacom. The big operators are still looking at places like Africa as huge growth opportunities.
It's estimated that more than 1 billion people in the developing world don't have bank accounts, but many of those people do have mobile phones that could potentially be used for conducting financial transactions. The GSMA believes it's a $5 billion industry in the making. Several mobile phone banking programs have already been launched worldwide, including a successful system in Kenya. A company whose software drives mobile banking says it's building business and empowering the world's poor, who for once are leading the way.
The emerging world in this case is really leapfrogging what is available in first world countries. I think the first world countries can really learn. This is one instance where I think that there's a lot of lessons to be learned about how financial services should work.
So, thanks to technological advances being made right now in the poorest parts of the world, in the future, instead of paying bills with cash, I'll be using my mobile phone. And so will you. Adrian Finnegan, CNN, Barcelona.